Creating this Gator style Cornice board was a real labor of love. This took almost a month to complete because I do not rush my work. You cannot come to me to ask me for something that would only take a couple of days or something. I don't do that kind of work. I do work that means something, that I take my time and put my soul and energy into it. It just doesn't finish as quickly like that. And I could this take about a month and more to complete because it was layers and layers and layers of texture, different textures, different formulas, deciding what could go together and what can't. But I love it. I enjoy creating these boards. I enjoy making. I just didn't take a picture in the process. My mind wasn't in that state. And honestly, when I am creating, I do always remember, and I'm not in that zone. You know, I create from the heart, not in that zone to just film everything I do. I don't know how people do it, but I can't. I really can't. I have to be in a zone, in that mode. Like today, I didn't decide to take this video, but then something just told me, you know what? Okay, come now, you finish, decorate your fabric and create your own patterns on your fabric. Come now, do this video, and here I am. But the real process of making it, I did not film that. I maybe filmed certain steps, I cannot remember, but my creativity is just not always to be filmed. I want to share this with you, what I do. Sometimes I might show how I do it, but a real creator, I don't think we could live in front of camera like that. I really can't. But I create beauty, I create with soul, I create with vibration. I put things into it, and this is just what I do. All right, once again, if you want a Cornice board that is different, if you want wall paintings that is different, if you don't want to follow trend, here I am, Walls of Style New York. This is what I do. I do custom work. I don't try to replicate what mass production does. This is from my soul. This is from my heart. This is what I love. Now this you will put by your windows, but it's not only for your windows. It's for whatever space you want. If you don't want it to be a Cornice board, definitely I could take it. I could make something else for you. It might not look like this because these are things, these are creations that is so high vibrational. It's not a template. You try to make another one, I might try to make another one, and it doesn't come out the same. If you're interested in this piece, you could message me and we'll have a good chat as to how you could get this piece or how I could come as close as creating one for you. All right? And I tell you, when you have something from me, it's only you alone is gonna have it. You and the neighborhood will not have it, just like some of the houses. Everybody's house look the same, everybody's house paint the same because that may be the trend. I don't work like that. I don't create like that. So thank you for watching and thank you for enjoying. All right? Follow me, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. I'm here on YouTube now, just deciding to share the things that my creations, my vibrations, I should call them, with you. And I hope to grow this channel, this community, and we could have a good time. I do a lot of things and I want to share them with the world, share them with the public. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, share, and enjoy. Okay, so now we are going to look at the back of this Cornice board. Look at the design. Well done. Look at the corners. Close up. Well done, well finished, well designed. So that just in case you want to look at the back, you doesn't have to be embarrassed because it's the raw edges like what everyone else did. I make sure to design it beautifully so that you can be proud of your piece when you get it from me. The front is well detailed, the back is also well detailed, and you could only get this at Walls of Style New York. You could send me an email with your measurements, but we have to speak before, find out more about it. And you could also direct message me on Instagram. Thank you for sharing this joy with me. It was a pleasure. I really enjoy making these. Thank you.